Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre. It's a dry forecast for South Africa today and for the next couple of days as well. Meanwhile, a warm weekend lies around the corner, especially for the far western parts where temperatures could approach the 30-degree mark by Friday already. In the meantime, we'll take a closer look at dam levels. The latest updates have been received, and especially those of the Western Cape. Now, over the past week, a lot of rain occurred in places in KwaZulu-Natal. Dam levels have not responded to that just yet. It's too early, as snow still has to melt and runoff still has to reach the major dams. In the Western Cape, the collective figure is down to 19%. Dam levels have dropped below the critical 10%, Brandvlei down to 9.8%, Clan William Dam at 6.6%, and the Voelvlei Dam, which supplies drinking water to the west coast, is now at 16.9%. The important Theewaterskloof Dam is at 14.8%, with only 4.8% to go before it reaches the critical 10% mark. Now let's take a look at the weather for the next couple of days. Today started off cloud-free, except for the far western coastal areas where the morning was foggy. The day started off foggy in Cape Town as well, and it was partly cloudy to begin with along the Western Cape south coast due to the passage of a very weak frontal band. This will result in cooler conditions, but we're not expecting any rain today. A fine and mild afternoon ahead over Gauteng and the Free State, but it's going to be a warm one in KZN and Limpopo. The wind forecast shows breezy conditions on the Highveld this afternoon, fresh to strong southwesterlies for PE and East London, and southerly to southeasterlies pick up this afternoon to reach up to 35 km per hour, especially along the west coast. Let's take a look at today's temperatures. A mild afternoon in the Free State with highs up to 23 in Bloemfontein, 20 degrees in Bethlehem. Johannesburg at a maximum of 21, 24 expected in Vredendal, and Cape Town and Port Elizabeth with highs of 21 as well. Tomorrow it remains sunny countrywide. We're expecting slight warming over Gauteng with 24 in Pretoria. In Cape Town, slightly warmer day as well. High cloud expected all along the southern and eastern coastline. By Friday it becomes warmer in the west with 27 in Cape Town and sunny conditions over the rest of South Africa. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest.